Hi there, this is Omid and welcome back to Speak Rich with me. Today we're gonna focus and work on collocation in business English vocabulary. As you see, our word today is the verb drop and the preposition that we're gonna make a phrasal verb. Yes, drop. Literally it means to drop something on the ground, when you drop something. But if we come to use this verb with different prepositions, it could have different meanings. As you see, we have drop off, drop something off, drop by, drop in, and drop out of. So let's focus on drop off. It means decrease. Yes, we could say the verb decrease, but we could use the verb decrease most of the time. But if we're gonna give the variety of speech to our words in business English, we could say drop off. For example, we say the problems in our company in the financial department have dropped off. It means that problems have decreased. Drop off, decreased. The other one is drop something off. It means to deliver something. Yesterday we delivered the package at the post office. We dropped it off at the post office. Drop something off. To deliver something. Remember, drop something off. We dropped it off at the post office. The other one is to drop by. Drop by and drop in. Both mean to visit. But if you mention the place, you could say drop by. Could you drop by at the office today? It means that to come to visit at the post office. Or drop in when you don't mention the place, just to visit informally and without any dates. You can drop in anytime you are back. Or when you are back in the city, you can drop in. It means that we can visit somewhere, sometime, without any preparation in advance. Yes, drop by or drop in. And the other one that we want to focus is drop out of. Drop out of. Drop out of. It means that to quit, stop something. My brother dropped out of his job because of the hardship and difficulties he could face. Remember, most of speakers in English say drop out his job. No, it is not true. He dropped out of his job because of the difficulties. My brother dropped out of his job because of the difficulties he could face every time. So we don't say drop out the job or drop out the idea. If you remember at the beginning of our video today, we said we dropped the package off at the office. Mostly speakers say in the office. No, mostly in this case we need to use collocation with at, preposition at. We dropped it off at the office. Yes, or I could say to deliver something to somebody, not to somebody. Listen, I will drop off the package with the receptionist today at the hotel. We will drop it off with the receptionist. It means that we will deliver to the receptionist with the. We dropped it off with the receptionist. Yes, at the office. Sorry. With the receptionist. Our word would be drop off, drop something off, drop by, drop in, to visit informally without preparations like dates or definite time. Drop out of. If you like the video, you could be nice enough to subscribe our channel and you could activate the notification bell next time, and you can stay with us to learn other more structures that we want to focus on our learning English, and we will come to remove our errors with speaking in English. Have a nice time. I will see you, and I would be definitely happy to see you again with my videos. Take care. Goodbye.